So this is a year-end drawing review, guys. So welcome to Trending Live TV. If you're not yet connected to me, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. So we're going to show you the drawings that I did on my live stream videos 2024. Okay, so these are Wellness with Frugal Mama, uh, Diana's Homestead. These are the content creators, guys, that I draw. Okay, so another one is Official Jamia. Uh, Maria Truth Sefton. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Appreciate you all, guys. Buddha of Destiny, Namaste. I want to show you already the original one that I tried to draw. Karel the Girl miniature. Thank you, everyone. The Burper Reaper. The first time that I tried to draw the Burper Reaper. Shout out. Hashtag V.O.M. Mavom. Antonia's cooking for the soul plus more. The J Jordan. There you go, guys. Swoop like me. Paris Kitchen, Garden and more. I hope you can see the drawings. Life with Bev Brown. Miss Bev's Productions. Was OG Trev. Vato Locos, Blood in, Blood out. Jet Shelly, weight loss. Proud Mixed Child. I don't know if you can see. Proud Mixed Child. Boss Lady Denise. OG Brand. Wellness with Frugal Mama. Panama City. And you can see. Destiny Walks Forever PhD. Kayla Boo. Jacob Kobe J Sinky. Crooked Beach. A Resilient Dad. Blink and Stitch, etc. Vea Peach's World. Miss T with a T. Welcome to TNT Family Show. Oh, there's a lot already. Charming Tracy Robin. Tracker Z, Angel Light over Darkness. Yeah, those are the content creators I draw. Let me see if I still have here. Okay, let me check on the other phone. On the other album, should I say? Sketchbook. Let me see here, guys, if I still have them. These are the 2020, 2023, 2024. Okay, so I need another one here. Boss Lady Denise. The Burpee Ripper. Shout out. Okay. Latonia's cooking for the soul plus more. Hashtag B.O.M. Food of Destiny, namaste. Miss Best Productions. So those are the content creators I draw, guys. And these are not the content creator that I'm going to show to you, that I tried to draw. This is Mariah. This is Angelina. This is is this one? Leonardo. This one is, I forgot his name. Just check on my description, guys. I have a drawing of this one. Michael Jackson. I think this is Leonardo DiCaprio. I forgot the other one that I did. What's this one? Another star, guys. Okay, so that's all. And then I'm going to do a drawing again this coming week, this coming days. So thank you so much, everyone. And yeah, like I said, I'm still learning every day on my drawings. So if I was not able to draw the person like exactly how it is, I'm really sorry, but I tried my best to draw. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching my videos, sharing my videos, giving a thumbs up, and everyone, my members, new subscribers, my subscribers before, and my new subscribers. Thank you so much, everyone. Appreciate each and every one of you. May you all have a wonderful 2025, blessed, and of course good health. Blessings and good health to each and every one of you, and of course more success to each and everyone's goals and life channels or career that you have. I just wish you all the best, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you for those who watch my videos and now already monetized. Appreciate each and every one of you. This is your host, Trending Live TV. Much love. Happy 2025, everyone. Thank you.